In this video, I will show you how to remove the background from a video in CapCut PC. First, open CapCut and either create a new project or open an existing one. Then, import the video you want to remove the background from and drag it onto the timeline. Next, select the video clip and go to the top right panel where you will see the video settings. By default, the Basic tab will be selected, so switch to the Remove Background option. Inside Remove Background, enable Auto Removal by clicking the checkbox. CapCut will automatically remove the background from your video. Once it is done, you can preview the result to see the background removed clearly. If you want to add a new background, import an image or video and place it on a track below your main clip in the timeline. Then drag your cutout video above it as an overlay. Now, when you play it back, your subject will appear in front of the new background. Once everything looks good, export your project. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.